Hey, thanks for tuning in. I have another delicious recipe today, and it's part of my Keto Filipino series of videos. And it is ginisang opo with shrimp. I hope I said that right. But anyways, it's basically a opo and shrimp stir fry, and it's so delicious, so healthy. You wouldn't even know that it was keto. So here it goes. So we need about 2 or 3 of these. These is the opo, and it's like, I guess, a melon. I don't know, I can't really describe it, but the flesh is soft inside. I guess maybe like a squash. Yeah, more like a squash. Okay, so about 3 of these, okay? 1 onion, okay? So I have my onion, 1 onion already kind of sliced there. Okay, 2 cloves of garlic. It's my house garlic from Costco. 1 pound of shrimp. So I got my 1 pound of shrimp here. And this is from Costco. I just go ahead and buy all my stuff from Costco. I love Costco for all its stuff that it has for the ketogenic diet. And this is raw tail-on peeled shrimp. All right. So the next thing is 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So this is what I have, oyster flavored sauce. It's at any Asian market. 1 teaspoon salt, of course my house salt. And of course my 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it started. I'll start with trying to peel the opo. Okay, so this one, like I was saying, is a Filipino vegetable, and I'm looking for my, give me a minute. Okay, I can't find it right now. But what I have done is I went ahead and peeled the shrimp, and the shrimp was already peeled, and here is the vegetable cut up already. So I have 3 of these, and I already cut up 2. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on the fire to my skillet here. If you can see it. Okay. Turn on the electric, it's an electric skillet, so turn on the heat. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the vegetable. Alright. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil for frying. Okay, on the other side, I'm going to cook the shrimp. I'm not going to mix the vegetable and the shrimp together just yet. Okay, so I'm just going to put it right here. And we'll see if this needs water. I think the vegetable and the shrimp might bring enough water to the skillet. And then here are the onions. Okay, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I'm just going to go ahead and put it kind of 1 tablespoon on there and 1 tablespoon on the shrimp. And then the 1 teaspoon of salt. And we are not putting any fish sauce in it. Oyster sauce and the salt will do what it's supposed to do regarding the taste. I really don't want fish sauce in the soup itself, but maybe after I will add some. 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon. And then as an option, if you have tomatoes, you can put that in too, but today I don't have tomatoes, but it'll still be really delicious. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get that frying. Alright, so I'm gonna bring it closer to you, you can just kind of observe it frying here. There you go. Okay, so I found my tool to go ahead and peel the skin. So I'm just going to quickly peel this while that is working itself out. So I don't know if you could see, but I'll give you a better look at it. I'm just taking this down and just peeling the skin off and work at it aggressively here. So luckily the skin comes off real easy with this kind of tool. I can't imagine it trying to do it any other way with any other tool. You'll be here forever. Okay. So I'm just going to cut off the edges. And then I'm going to cut it down the middle. And this is what it looks like in the inside. But the inside is kind of inedible with all the seeds. So I'm just going to take my hand and take all the seeds out. This is kind of how I do my bitter melon too. I'm going to take all the seeds out. Okay, this one I'm going to take all the seeds out. Alright, so here we go. Ready to be cut up into small pieces. So while that's cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and just start cutting them up over the top of the soup, or the stir fry. And have some big pieces. And I only cook this, let's say, once every couple of months. So I thought I'd try to capture it and show everybody this particular dessert, because like I said, it's kind of like the part of the Keto Filipino dishes, and you don't feel like you're on a diet when you do this, when you eat this. But of course, splashing. Of course, if you eat rice, it's not going to be keto. So, but maybe cauliflower rice if you want to get that texture of rice in your meal. So I will be stir frying this soon, almost done. Alright. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got the onions kind of wilting down. We got the shrimp getting orange. And then we have the upo here. Okay, so this is smelling really good. So the challenge to the upo is that it is a tougher vegetable to cook. It kind of needs more time than, for example, of course, like spinach or bok choy. It needs more time than that. So you might want to just go ahead and just leave it for a while. It probably has the cooking consistency of maybe an eggplant or okra. Maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to be completely soft. Okay, so it's already kind of improving its texture here, the onions and the shrimp. Alright, so it's coming along well. And like I said, the nice thing about this one is that I don't put patis in it, but you can definitely put patis in it after the fact if you need it to have more flavor and more salt. But but that's always an option. There's also bagoong. I'm going to get that out. I have a new jar of bagoong. Let me get it. So this is another option for this dish, but not really inside the dish, but after the dish is done. And this is Filipino salted shrimp paste by Masagana. And it really has a long shelf life. Like today is the month of June in 2020, and this has a shelf life in the fridge until May 25th, 2021. Okay, so let's I'm gonna open it for you. And Filipinos, we love this stuff. Let me bring a close-up of it for you. And that's what it is. Shrimp paste bagoong. I grew up on this stuff. So I won't eat it in cups and cups. I'll eat it as a kind of a side marinade. But if you look really, really close, you can see the black dots. I think those are the shrimp eyes. I don't know. All right. So again, this is salted shrimp paste by Masagana. So good. Okay, so we are coming up to almost done here. Okay. The onions are pretty wilted down. The shrimp is cooked. Okay, so I am going to let the upo cook a little bit more, but I'm going to bring you a sample of what it looks like when it's done. Okay, I just kind of wanted to keep the shrimp separated a little bit from the upo, but here we are. Here is the shrimp with the upo. Let me show you a little bit more of the veggie. There you go, close up. And then typically we'll just dab a piece of bagoong right there, if you can see where I just kind of threw it in. Doesn't that look delicious and yummy? And it's so healthy, lots of protein and lots of minerals from the upo, and definitely fits into the Keto Filipino. All right, so I hope that you try this recipe and that you like it, and let me know on the comments how it turned out for you. All right, take care.